Is your Rogers internet constantly cutting out? The first step is to determine if it's a widespread outage or a problem with your equipment. Rogers has significantly improved outage management recently. Check the Rogers Outage Center app or website. They now use AI to predict potential issues up to 30 minutes in advance. If there's a known outage in your area, the problem isn't your hardware, and you'll need to wait for Rogers to resolve it. Since 2025, Rogers reports resolving 95% of outages within 4 hours, which is a big improvement, but hardware issues are now more common. If the outage checker shows no issues, it's time to investigate your modem, router, and cables. If it's not an outage, troubleshoot your hardware. Start by power cycling your modem and router. Unplug them both for 30 seconds, then plug the modem back in first, followed by the router. Inspect all cables for damage. Rogers recommends Cat6 Ethernet cables for a stable wired connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try a wired connection to see if the problem persists. This will help isolate Wi-Fi interference. If problems continue, restart, and if necessary, factory reset your modem router. Finally, run a speed test at speedcheck.rogers.com to ensure you're getting the speeds you're paying for. Rogers states that 70% of intermittent issues are resolved with basic restarts and cable checks. If those checks still fail, contact support.